Hello and welcome to Medy Wellness YouTube channel. Today we will be preparing super sweet Mandazi with Sultana or Resins. The first step will be preparing the dough. In a bowl mix self-raising flour, oil, sugar and oats. Break eggs and place on bowl. Add the eggs into the mixture. Add milk in bits for good consistency. Add more flour bits by bits. Add in Sultanas or Resins. Knead the mixture with your hands. Place the dough on a plate. Cover it with a cling film or a clean cloth. Let it rest for 1 hour to raise. After 1 hour the dough is ready to work on. Pinch out manageable sizes to work on. Roll the dough with a rolling pin. Cut the dough into smaller sizes of triangles and squares. Heat oil in pan. Place pieces carefully in oil. When one side browns, turn them over. After it cooks, place on a bowl to drain oil. Thank you very much for watching. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family.